Hi, this short tutorial will demonstrate how to use RefWorks, a bibliographic citation manager, to capture and organize your references as well as generate a bibliography. Let me move over to the Web of Science where I have a search already in progress. To move records into RefWorks, all you need to do is check them off and then move them into the marked list. And you can navigate between pages and pick up additional references and move them in. Then open up your marked list, and you can pretty much work with the defaults in each of these three steps, with the exception of step 2. I would recommend checking abstract, which isn't there by default and would definitely be useful to you in your RefWorks account. Then go to step 3 and save to RefWorks. If you don't already have an account, not to worry, you can sign up for one on the fly. It's a couple of simple steps. I'm going to go ahead and log in with my pre-existing account. Oops. And then you can see what it looks like on the inside. We'll give it just a minute, and you should have pop-up blockers turned off for RefWorks to work properly. And you can see here that in my last imported folder, the 3 records that I selected now show up. I can change the view from standard to full view, and then you can read the abstract, and you have the link out here to the full text of the article. Over here I have a bunch of folders that I can work with. I think what I would recommend that you do right off the bat is mark all of the records in the list in your last imported folder and move them into a new folder that you can name whatever you like. I'm going to pick, I guess, bio for this demo. And you'll see now that those 3 records exist in a new folder called Bio. They still exist in Last Imported. And just to keep things neat and tidy, if you right-click Clear Folder, that will keep your unique records separate from the Last Imported folder. As you import new records into Last Imported, whatever was in there gets pushed out into Never Never Land, and you can sometimes lose some references that you want to keep in that space. So I would recommend doing a right click and clearing the folder as you go. Now the beauty of RefWorks is not only do you have sort of an electronic filing cabinet of the records that you want to use as you go along, but you can also create a bibliography. By clicking on this button, you have the option of several standard formats. APA is the one that is being used for the biology students. You can use Mac or Word. I'm in a Windows machine, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. Then when I click Create Bibliography, it will automatically open Microsoft Word. And you're looking at basically a Word document with the articles that you've selected, the citations that you've selected. They will be in APA format. You might want to just check each one and make sure that you don't see anything a little goofy. RefWorks doesn't always recognize proper names, for example, or if you need to use a species name in italics, you'll want to double check that and make that change. But basically it's just a Word document that you can edit at will. So that's the beauty of RefWorks. To get to RefWorks, you can, from the library's homepage, you'll see the link out here, or it's also available to you inside the course guide. So good luck, and I hope if you have any questions, you'll stop by the reference desk and ask and let us know. Thanks.